Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go on PC. Many people enjoy playing their favorite console games on a computer, and with the right tools, it's entirely possible. We'll cover everything from choosing the correct software to optimizing your experience. Get ready to catch them all from the comfort of your desktop. First, let's talk about emulators. For Nintendo Switch games like Pokémon Let's Go, Yuzu and Ryujinx are your top choices. Both offer excellent compatibility and features. Make sure to download them directly from their official sites to avoid any issues. Once installed, you'll want to dive into the settings to fine-tune them for your specific computer hardware. Next, you'll need the game itself. It's important to legally obtain your Pokémon Let's Go game files from your own Nintendo Switch. Once you have them, simply load the game's ROM file into your emulator. From there, you can customize graphics, resolution, and even set up your preferred controller for a truly personalized and immersive gaming session. To ensure the best experience, always check that your PC meets the emulator's recommended system requirements. Keeping your graphics drivers updated is also key for smooth performance and fewer glitches. If you're looking for other ways to enjoy your favorite stories, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.